Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about BIM maturity levels and LODs in BIM. We already covered one video on LODs, level of detailing and level of development as well. If you did not check that one, please check that one for proper description of LODs. In this one, we thoroughly discuss about BIM levels, but I'll give you a brief about LODs first. LODs, level of development or level of detailing, there are different kind of terms, but normally generalized way. And if I'll talk about LODs, then we go with LOD 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, and 500, and these all are LODs. But right now, in generalized way, what I can say in terms of LOD. So LOD refers about any particular element, how we are representing any particular element in our BIM model. The software we are using for our BIM project, like it can be Revit, it can be Civil 3D, it can be Takla, it can be InfraWorks, it can be ArchiCAD, or whatever it can be. But the standard practice of that particular element's presentation will come under LOD. How it will come? Suppose one single element comes under LOD 100 only, then it will be like a particular mass kind of thing. Okay, if I'll go further for already 200, 300, and so on, then we'll define different kind of parameters in terms of shape of the particular element, size, orientation, location, and there are a lot of more data then we can add in the particular element. That comes under LOD things. So till LOD 500, all the data will come in that particular element. Okay. Now, if I'll come on the BIM levels, what are the BIM levels? Uh, Specific term, if I'll say, it is BIM maturity level. Okay. What does it mean and what is the use of these levels? There are four levels, first of all. And what does it mean? Actually, BIM maturity level comes for the coordination and collaboration things only. Specifically, if I'll say, if I'll go for the level 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, like we are proceeding for another levels as well, but till now we are having till level 3. So in level 0, if I'll talk about, in level 0 we are working on CAD software, AutoCAD software kind of thing, computer aided design that we normally do. But there is no kind of collaboration, zero collaboration, what we can say. What I mean by collaboration is that if we're working on level 0, BIM maturity level, it means different stakeholders in terms of architecture, in terms of mechanical, electrical, plumbing. Their design engineer will work on the CAD, they'll prepare their CAD design and they'll share with the client or something like that. But they will not coordinate with each other. Okay, so that will come under level 0. It means zero collaboration, what we can say. If I'll come for the level 1, uh, I'll discuss about 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, and 6D in this video only, but just ignore that particular portion as of now. If I'll come on to the level 1, in this one, there will be partial collaboration. What does it mean, the partial collaboration? We will work on the CAD, we'll create the 2D and same 3D, but in CAD only, and we will share that one in a CDE portal. What does it mean by CDE, Common Data Environment? There will be kind of a common server where we can place all those files right there, the CAD files right there. But in that situation also, the other stakeholders will not collaborate with each other. Yes, files are right there on the server, but yes, technically they'll not, collaborate with each other. That there are coordination issues are right there, they'll not coordinate with each other. So yes, there will be a server, but they will not coordinate with each other. That is why it is partial collaboration, not fully collaboration. They have collaborated, they have shared the files, but they did not coordinate the model. Now, if I'll come on to the level 2, we go for the full coordination, full collaboration. What does that mean? We'll go for the proper server, we'll create a library right there. Library means a proper folders that this folder architecture will share their files, and this one mechanical, and this one electrical, and so on. And they will coordinate with each other in terms of IFC format. Okay, what does IFC? What is IFC? I already discussed in my previous video of IFC. You can check that out as well. Now, if I'll go with IFC, it's if I'll go brief, what does it? What IFC is? IFC is a common format. What I can say, like for the Excel, we have CSV. Like in BIM models, we have IFC. Like suppose you are working in Revit, but somebody is working on Tekla or InfraWorks, something like that one. So the format of yours will be different, and the other software's format will be different. And if you wanted to see their models and they want to see your models as well, they cannot see because they do not use that particular software. So how they can see in that situation, you can export IFC format of your model. Same, they can share their IFC format, and then you can link or import that particular IFC in your software. IFC will be supported by every software, every BIM software right there. So that is why the coordination thing will be seen by other stakeholders in terms of the coordination or the collaboration in level 2, and they can change their design as per the requirement of other service. Now, if I'll come for the level 3 right now very much collaborated or integrated maturity level of BIM that we are working on it right now. What comes under this one? It is a cloud-based server platform where every stakeholder can collaborate with other stakeholders live. They can link their model live. They can see any design changes if happening right there on a cloud-based server as well. They can share their models in this one, we share till 6D right now. If I'll come on these dimensions, so in this one, normally CAD drafting view will be right there. So we are not talking about this one. In this one, we consider 2D, proper 2D and 3D as well, but it will be in CAD. Right now, if I'll come these are not the only 1D, 2D, 3D views. Like we know that till 3D we can visualize. Like it is like that one. LoDs are already described, but if I'll talk about this video, these are the dimensions in BIM. Okay, so 2D dimension means it's CAD 2D sheet kind of thing. Okay, 3D means it comes in a proper 3D view where we can see a 3D model. Third dimension means the direction. Okay, now if I'll come for 4D, 4D means we have added time as well in that one. And 5D means we have added cost in that particular thing. It means this is for scheduling of the project. This is for cost management of the project. Now, if I'll come for the 6D, 6D is sustainability, what we can say, or the energy sustainability in terms of energy. If I'll say the clean energy right now that we are proceeding for that one due to greenhouse effect or those kind of things. So we go 6D in level 3, and we are coming for level 4 and so on. That will be covered for 7D, 8D kind of things. So that is all about BIM levels and LODs. I guess this is covered. LODs are specified for a particular element, but BIM maturity levels are specified for the collaboration and design in a particular project. So thanks all guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.